talented. Yes, my general.
Yeah, man. So you see, there's a man like this when we play all type of instrument with my body, like beat the jar, clap my hand, blow my hand like recorder. And if I have a mic, I can use my teeth and play a song. And I can put the mic to my mouth and knock my skull and play a song.
Yeah,
But you have to have the mic
yeah,
has to get the sound.
yeah,
Because
man.
knocking the teeth, playing the teeth wouldn't be loud enough for
Yeah,
you to
yeah,
hear
yeah.
the song, you know? You know?
So, well, I will teach you if you do them type of
Well,
stuff.
you know, say it's a gift, you know.
Yeah,
Because I have never seen any man really blow them hand like that as an instrument. Beat
Sure.
them jaw as an instrument
sure.
and clap your hand as an instrument. Because partially any song, me know I can play it, you know.
Yeah. Yes, my general.
Yeah, man, that's
Yeah,
how
man,
you
you're
know?
talented, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Natural talented.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
man.
that was,
Cause I first me ever see a man do that style there, you know?
yeah, man. When you see, every man have a different
Real,
you know.
man. Real,
And some
man.
people get it, they don't use it.
Real, man.
I try to use mine because I am a multi-skill person.
Yeah.
Because I find myself blessed with over 40 had different skills.
Mm.
Me do furniture work, me build electrical guitar,
Yeah.
play them, especially Hawaiian guitar. Me build drum, play drum, me do castor oil, me do honey, Me do repair like washing machine, especially the older brand. The new model washing machine, they did the circuit board, but I really understand it, so I'm not far with it.
Yeah.
Me do fan.
So which part you do them all them work? Yeah?
Well, you know, say most that me house. Me go out and work, like if me get a call to go out and do certain things, certain type of job like repair washing machine, sewing machine, or so we go out and do it, but most of the work take place at my home.
Yeah.
And there's a gentleman there around me. He's very good at working on stove. But I know him as Sabu,
Yeah.
Indian man, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
He's very good at when it comes to working on stove.
Okay, so
I
no.
help him sometime, but I'm not really stove man, you know.
Yeah.
Him are the stove man. He know it plenty more than
Yeah.
film work that, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man. But me do work on jackhammer.
Yeah. Jackhammer.
Jackhammer, if you have to burn up, recoil them.
Yeah.
Feed coil burn, recoil it. Recoil motor like 110 motor,
So if-
220.
Yeah, so if you want, you can tell them if you find it still, look, I mean, I put that one up on YouTube, you know, when I go
Yeah
viral.
man, well, when you come Fraserwood man, Fraserwood Hopewell.
Yeah, that are in St. Mary.
Yeah man, above Highgate.
Yeah.
Yeah man, and we do blender, recoil them, amateur, feed coil. We do drill. We do work on generator also,
Yeah.
especially engine, water pump, both electrical and engine.
Yeah.
We work on them. But you know what the hardest thing?
Yeah.
We have so many skills. And I want to pass it on to the younger youth. But as far as I see them not willing to come learn.
Man.
Yeah. Right now I have
And that
all
to
of
the-
this talent and I want to pass it on. My eyes can close at any time.
Yeah.
I want some of the young youth them to come and learn, but sometimes you do mention it to them, they should be come check it. And then not turn up. Even though,
I want to go on the fast road,
yeah,
man, you
but
know?
even though sometimes they may come by me and because I have to move around because we get called here, and then they have to move around. But at least if they come around once I am at home, I can be able to teach, pass on, you know, even the guitar I play, Hawaiian guitar.
Yeah.
That's a next talent where I want to pass it on because maybe a search Jamaica you might find before a 5-person play that type of instrument. You understand?
Yeah.
Then we do castor oil, we do honey.
But the thing about it still, you know, enough youth out there might be what I want to learn certain skill, you know, but true, maybe they don't know if you find you or they don't have a link with you.
Yes,
You
that
see
is
me?
true.
So,
That is true.
any youth out there where they're close to Highgate and want link up in general, just you can just go to Highgate and ask for
Robbie.
yeah.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man.
And the phone number is 3082650.
Yeah.
3082650.
So if you don't want to link up with the general and learn some trade, you know, all you know have to do is just call him and set up an appointment. You see it?
Yeah man. So you see, what really happy now is that as for me always on the go, you know. Because right now sometimes I have work when I need help, somebody, you know, pass on the skill where I may do something in person. Whether male or female, anyone who get to learn, I will teach. Because at least if me die, me trade die with me.
Yeah.
So, you know,
You want the thing
one and
go
two,
on.
Yeah, you know, 1 and 2 person willing to learn, then what little me can teach, I will teach.
Yeah.
You know?
A good fair people like you, man, because enough youth want to learn a trade, but enough people nah do like what you are do, you know.
It's true.
They
You
nah
see-
do like what you are do.
You see, the thing about it, me grow up, don't know no mother, no father, no sister, no brother.
Yeah.
And most of my immediate family who used to close like my uncle, auntie, grandmother, granduncle. All of them passed away,
Yeah.
you know. And the thing what I'm a bit proud of, You know, I never find myself getting any trouble.
For
Proud of
real,
that, you
man.
know.
Yeah, man. You have to be proud of that, man.
I've been provoked many times, you know, but
You just know for all your
God,
thing.
yes, I think God give me that
Mm-hmm.
strength to overcome, you know.
Yeah, man. You're a
Because
blessed
I am
man,
not a
man.
man of war.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm not a man of war. But because me humble myself, why God bless me with so
Yeah.
many talent. Because God
Yeah.
choosing people, I will choose to give certain talent, you know.
I true you talk,
Because
man.
when we look into it, if I couldn't able to do it, God will give it to me. Father will give it to me.
Mm-mm.
You understand?
No, cause Father God not give away more and where you
He
can, more than where you can manage, you know. So
Exactly.
you can manage it. That's why I give
That's
it.
why He give it to me.
Yeah, cause a lot of talent that then stuff the way you show me.
Because believe you me,
Yeah, man.
you know, one time, more than once, I've been interviewed and in a gully ride,
Yeah.
and the gentleman said to me, so where you find time to do all of these stuff here? And I said, well then, I don't know the kind of time, but I do what I can able to do.
Mm.
And even though I did get the interview, 3/4 of the things, 3/4 of the things what we can do, I would never have enough time was to put everything together as to expose it.
Yeah. Yeah. So enough of this stuff then they never see same way.
Plenty of them and plenty things what I can do, the idea what in the head. I just don't have the resources to do it. So I just kind of ignore because I just do what I can able to do. Because sometimes my hand is so full. Sometimes I have so many things
Yeah.
around me to do. And there are times when I am in there to just let the house, go to the sea, catch 2 fish, come in the back, cook and eat and, you know, relax myself. Give the brain a break sometimes, you know. So, give Father thanks still, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, give Father thanks.
Alright, my peeps.
Yeah, man.
Speak
So
up
you
on
take
yourself,
care of your
man.
brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you take